everybody. This is Dina Abdullah, and I've been working for more than 10 years as an English instructor and business teacher. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself to you, and then you should introduce yourselves to me. Let's get started with me, as I said previously, Dina Abdullah, 33 years old. In today's presentation, I'm gonna give you some tips about how to listen to English very well, how to differentiate between two accents, American and British accent. Okay, so but before starting, I'm going to ask a question, and please, I want some of you to tell me why do we study pronunciation and the accents of English? Who knows? Who knows? Why do we study English? Why do we study the phonetics and is to sound like native, to speak like native speakers? Do you mean that? Okay, to speak like native speakers. What else? Sorry?
To understand native speakers.
Exactly, that's it. So to understand native speakers, some of students, some of people who are studying English, they are suffering from understanding English. Why don't they understand English very well? We can write very well, we can read very well, but we cannot listen and speak in the same time. I'm gonna give you just like figure or just like words here. We have here input and output.